right, here we go. Question number 7 from our Precalculus homework number 2 in MyLab Math. This is another interactive figure problem. It says check the Show H of T box and click the Time play button to trace the path of the baseball. They want us to find the domain of the height function. So they wanted us to click the Show H of T and then click the play button here. That's going to trace the path of the ball. And once that finishes playing, we're going to be able to answer their question, which is the domain of t, the domain of this function. So notice that the x is t in this case, and that is going to be represented by our x-axis down here. The constant represents the initial height, and as it traveled along its path, the x's, or in this case the t's, end at 4.5 because that's when the ball hits the ground. So our domain for this particular function, which are the values that t can be, are going to be anything from 0 to 4.5 because that would be the path of the ball until it hits the ground. And if I zoom out a bit and actually click the Show Domain button, it is going to give us the domain in interval notation. So I would recommend that you only click this button once you've determined what you think the domain is, and then you can select the button to check. So inputting our interval notation, we're going to need a bracket, which is from the keyboard, 0, 4.5, and a bracket. Please understand that we're using the brackets because those values are included in the domain. T equals 0 is when the ball was initially hit, and 4.5 is when it actually hits the ground. And that's going to do it for this particular problem. If you have any questions or comments about anything we covered, please feel free to leave that in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.